Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to turn on your activity status. Keep in mind this goes both ways. If someone has their activity status on and you have yours off, you can see when they're active. You can only see when someone else is active and they can see if you're active if you both have your activity statuses turned on. So let's get started. First, we're going to click on this icon here that says profile. There's in our bottom right corner. It's going to take us to our profile. Next, we're going to click on the three stripes in the top right corner. And now we're going to select settings and privacy. Now we're going to select privacy again. As you can see, the second option we have is activity status. So we're going to go ahead, tap on that to turn it on. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!